Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share me with the thing we're looking to Reef. Before we start to Reef, please press the notification button so that you can get the new videos. If you not know how this work, please go to main page and click to all, then you have the notification. So I have also a Patreon site if you want to support me. For example, this year, um, this membership is you get from me every month five cryptos, five picks that I think that has potential to the top side. Please look to my page and you can choose the memberships, one of them, if you want. So we're looking to Bitcoin. Before we look to Bitcoin, we're looking to Reef here. So the current situation at the Reef is we are at 0.018 cent, and for many people is this a little bit frustrated because they wait, or how can I say, they have another focus to Reef because they think Reef has a potential top side. Now let's check this if this is true or not. For us is important this area July. If you look here at July, we began here the price of Bitcoin is rising to the top side, or in the past, yeah, is rising to the top side to this level here, 53,000. And if you look, we have also the rising of Reef from 0.001 cent to 0.003 cent. That is a little bit frustrated because the performance of Reef was not so much. If you look here, 1 cent to 3 cent. If you say, okay, these are 300%, if you are okay with 300%, that is okay. But from the level, it was not so much. So we have here this triangle. This is the Bitcoin course. We are stuck here in the triangle, and the strategy is here to go out of this triangle. And if you look here, we have one possibility that we go to 30,000 here, test this level, and go here to the top side. If this hold, yeah, the support, but I think we have here the possibility of 40%, and here the fall is 60%. So what that means for Reef, you can see the rising of this Bitcoin was this rising, the fall was this fall. So if you look to Bitcoin chart, then you can recognize that I expect a price rising to the top side, price rising to the top side at Reef, something like that, to 0.002 cent, 0.023 cent, yeah, and then you can see that the price of Bitcoin will smash to the downside. Let's look. It will smash to the downside. I think we could reach here a 0.001 cent level, and then is interesting what happening. We could reach here this level or this level. So I think let's draw the triangle also here at Reef. Then you have here, I think, this situation, and the traders uh, in my YouTube channel, they will recognize this year also a triangle, and the triangle gets closer and closer. You can see we are now here in September, October, and here is December. So I think after we fall here to the downside, Reef could stay here at this level. So I think let's look here, 30,000, stay here at this level. So if Bitcoin falls to 10,000 levels, yeah, then we could get something like that, that we go here, short term a little bit to the negative side, yeah, so that everybody think, okay, we lose our last support here in these levels, yeah, and go back maybe to the first area. So I would say this is now below 1 cent, maybe 0.007 cent, And then is interesting what happening. I think we will then break this to the downside, the top side, because you can see this clearly. We touch this one time, two time, three time, and the fourth time we will break this to the top side. And the people, they get here a shock, yeah, because the price will explode. And this, in this case, I think personally, the price of Reef will go to, let's look, will go to 35 cent. Yeah. I think we need here a break. After the break, we could go here to 35 cent, something like that. And this is what some people not see, yeah, at the moment. They see only this reaction, but I think we could get here really a big move to 30 cent. Because the reason I explain you this here, we have here 2 points. One point is this, to go out of this channel, and the second point is this. So for me is more real that we come back to these levels here, to 12,000, 10,000, 8,000 levels, and smash or unload or load to the top side, because then we have here at the Bitcoin price a very aggressive formation. Yeah, after that test this level, the price will really pump to the top side. Yeah, and then if you want more information, please come in the clubs. We will get here something like that, and the price will go here to the top side. Such information you get in the clubs. Yeah, I make I made uh, for 1 week or 2 weeks ago only videos like this here to fall, but now you can see what you can get also in the memberships. It's interesting for you to see half year or 1 year what happening as next, so that you can prepare yourself here. So we're looking to a Reef again. So long term, I see this in at 35 cent levels, and I think um, let's look long term, we could see also higher prices. But for the first, I think that's very interesting here between 2022 until 2023. We will get something like that. That will happen because we built here the left shoulder, and the head and the right shoulder is coming. Yeah. So please share the videos. Please press the notification, and if you want, you can press the join button in my Patreon to get a membership. Have a nice day.